Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get iPhone camera on Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure that you watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You can use a third party app. You can download a third party app like iCamera, iOS camera, iPhone camera, or iOS camera from the Google Play Store. So these apps mimic the iPhone camera interface and the features. So here you can see I have downloaded the iPhone camera here, and its features are super good, and also this one. So to get the iPhone images or the videos on your Android phone, all you have to do is just go to the Play Store and download the application from the here, and this is the only way to get the iPhone images. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.